This is Operating Manual 1.08 on standards of signaling and interlocking. Interlocking at stations is standardized into 4 classes: IR, 2R, 3R, and IVR. These regulations are drawn up mainly for crossing stations on single lines but can be adapted for other stations. Modifications may be made for equipment, and they also apply to single and double line stations. For full details, see paragraphs 170 to 174 of the Indian Railway Signal Engineering Manual. 2 aspect signaling standards are described first. Standard IR permits speeds of up to 50 km per hour. For standard IR, isolation of the main line is recommended but not essential. Facing points should have key locks and independent detection of switch positions in standard YR. Interlocking between points and signals in standard IR may be carried out indirectly using key locks. Outer and bracketed home signals are required in standard IR, while starters are optional. Standard 2R allows speeds up to 110 km per hour and requires isolation of the main line. Facing points in standard 2R should have plunger type locks with independent detection of switches and bolt. Interlocking in standard 2R may be direct or indirect with station master control where indirect is used. Outer, Warner, and bracketed home signals are mandatory in standard 2R and starters where necessary. Where starters are not provided, the Warner signal off position depends on receipt of line clear on the block instrument. Standard 3R permits unrestricted speeds up to 140 km per hour and matches standard 2 in most equipment. Interlocking in standard 3R must be direct and requires outer, Warner, bracketed home signals, starters, and advanced starters as needed. Standard IVR allows speeds up to 160 km per hour and uses multiple aspect signaling similar to standard 3. Multiple aspect signaling follows the same speeds and isolation and interlocking requirements as 2 aspect signaling. Standard IA requires a distant and a home signal in each direction. Standard 2A requires a distant, a home, and a starter signal in each direction. Standard 3A requires a distant, a home, and a starter signal in each direction as well.